Hey everyone, it's Walker from Motorola, and today we're unboxing Motorola's newest circular smartwatch, the Moto Watch. It's a bold blend of classic design and advanced health tracking powered by Polar. So let's get into it. The packaging is sleek and minimalistic, just what you expect from a premium wearable. Ready? Let's open this up. Right on top, the watch itself. Check this out, a circular 1.43-inch OLED display framed in a 47mm aluminium body. The classic circular form factor gives a timeless look that works from workouts to weekend style. In the box you'll find the Moto Watch, a magnetic charging cable, documentation and quick start guides. This 47mm case is lightweight yet robust, protected by Gorilla Glass 3 and rated IP68 for dust and water resistance. Classic meets everyday durability. One of the big stories here is Polar powered health tracking, bringing advanced insight like continuous heart rate, SpO2 tracking, sleep staging, real-time pace with dual frequency GPS and more. This isn't just basic step counting, it's serious fitness tracking backed by world-class tech. You can stay connected with Bluetooth calls from your wrist using the built-in mic and speaker. No need to pull the phone out for every alert. Control music, get notifications and choose custom watch faces. It's your wrist, your rules. Battery life is impressive, up to 13 days on a single charge, or around 7 days with always on display enabled. There's also a premium option that comes with a matte silver, with a metal strap and green silicone band in box, along with a watch strap adjustment tool. First impressions, the Moto Watch gives you classic design, serious fitness smarts, extended battery life and everyday watch essentials, all wrapped up in a premium package. Thank you for watching and leave us a comment on what you want to find out next.
Hello Moto.